Something's got to be good here. Is that the guy from Looney Tunes? $32. All right. Takes forever to cash out. $34.92. $9.60 left. All right, here we go. Oh, bonus. 16 left here. Oh, it came on the end, huh? Can we get a win? Huh. I'll put $2 more in there. That way we could just end it. 38 bucks. I'll put $38. Oh, no. We want more of this game. We'll put $38 in. I think that's 11 spins. $38. 38. My math's right. Could be off. All right, here we go. I think it's 11 spins. I'll be there. Oh, the jackpot faked me out, man. Oh, now it comes, huh? Be there, chickens. 1440. Hey. Bonus. Sweeties. Cash it out. Let's make sure that we're right. 1656, 2160. Yeah, I think that's I think that adds up, right? I think the math adds up, right? Bonus. Oh, it came on the end. $18. Is that divided by 360? I don't know. Oh, be there. No. Oh, this has got to be good. 1440. 1440. Oh, first and last. Fox and the Hound. So 2196, I think. Oh, why did it do the? Oh, that was so rigged. It did the like extra spin on the end. 2196, not bad. I don't even know how much we put in, but we didn't do that bad. GG's, Yardbirds 3.